Welcome back. Celebrating 70 years of dedication to justice, integrity, and service at LTKE Law in New Haven. To tell us about this amazing milestone, we are joined by Managing Attorney Stephen Errante and Attorney Marisa Bellair. Thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for having us.
All right, so 70 years, what a wonderful milestone. How are you guys feeling about that?
We're ready for the next 70 years. No, it's a tribute to all the lawyers who've worked with us over the years, and you know, we hope to continue to serve the community and take care of people who have legal needs.
Absolutely. Tell me about some of the cases you guys specialize in.
Well, the two of us are part of a team that works on medical malpractice cases, which is a specialty of the firms, although the firm does other things also. And you know, our hope is in doing malpractice cases that we enhance the care that people receive because they learn from the mistakes, and it's our job to sort of ferret out what went wrong, why it went wrong, and how things can be made better for people. And I know you want to talk about a recent case that we had.
Yeah, 22 million?
Yeah, 22.8 if you.
There you go.
We'll add that. And it had to do with preeclampsia, which is a condition that 5 to 8% of the women who are pregnant have, and it's the leading cause of maternal death. And in this case, it had to do with blood pressure and how the blood pressure was treated. And the two of us, along with some other lawyers, worked on that case for many years. Unfortunately, the woman gave birth to twins and died a couple hours later from brain hemorrhage because her blood pressure was not managed correctly. And you know, why that happened, how it happened is subject of a long case, but ultimately the jury found that both the doctors in the medical institution were responsible for that.
Yeah. These are challenging cases in a way to work on because of the subject.
They're very challenging, and as Steve mentioned, that's why we have a team of professionals. So when you hire our firm, you hire a team. We have a nurse that works on site with us, and it's very important for us to understand not only what the client went through, but obviously the medicine. We have to understand that cold in order to be able to effectively represent our clients.
Yeah, and that nurse provides some insight.
She absolutely does. She's a core part of our team. She evaluates the medical records, works with us to find appropriate experts in the case. You know, we take every case personal. As you started this segment, we've been in business for 70 years. I think that means something. That means the community trusts our reputation and our experience and our pursuit for justice.
Absolutely, and you guys are a trial-ready firm. What does that mean so people understand?
Well, there are a lot of lawyers who don't really try cases. Sometimes they'll call us in to try the case. It gives us an advantage because the defendants and the defendant's insurance company know that if they don't deal with our clients and us fairly, then we'll let a jury decide the case. And yeah, they're a little bit afraid of what juries might do with cases, so it makes them come to the table and deal more reasonably. If you're dealing with a firm that doesn't try cases, they take advantage of that.
Absolutely. How can people get connected with you guys and learn more?
Yeah, so you can obviously contact us by phone. We are available through our website. You can obviously seek an in-person appointment at our office, and we can also do Zoom meetings as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having us.
All right, and you can learn more by visiting LTKE.com. For CT Buzz, I'm Jillian Andrews.